In this video, I'm going to explain how to create an automated task inside of Salesforce CRM. Through this video, we will also understand what exactly automated tasks are, the real-time business uses of it, why they are used, and with the process of Salesforce flow, we will understand how to create easily and automated tasks. Welcome to Fingertip Technologies. My name is Saurav. Just before we get into the video, if your business needs any assistance with Salesforce, CRM consultation, and implementation, please check out our website below. We help businesses all around the world with Salesforce, CRM consultation, and implementation. So, without further delay, let's get straight into the video. An automated task in Salesforce is a task record that Salesforce creates automatically based on specific conditions without any manual effort. These conditions can be when a record is created, when a field is updated, or when a time-based event occurs. Time-based events allows tasks to be triggered at a specific time or after a certain duration, such as due dates, reminders, or recurring follow-ups. Automated tasks helps ensure that important actions are never missed. Let's look at some real-time use cases. When a new lead is created, Salesforce can automatically create a task like call the lead within 24 hours. When an opportunity moves to the negotiation stage, a task can be created to follow up with the customer. If a case status is escalated, a task can be generated to immediately call the customer. If there has been no activity on a record for 7 days, Salesforce can create a reminder task for the sales representative. Now, let's see how to create an automated task using Flow. First, go to Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Flows and open it under Process Automation. Click on New Flow and select Record Triggered Flow, because we want the task to be created when a specific event happens. Our requirement is simple. When a new lead is created, an automated task should be assigned to call the customer within 24 hours. Select the lead object and choose the trigger as a record is created. We are not adding any conditions for now. Save the flow and give it a name like Task Assignment. Next, we need resources to store task values. Click on Resources and create a new variable resource. Set the resource type as variable, data type as record, and select task as the object. Make sure it is available for input and output. Then save it. Now, create another resource of type formula to calculate the due date. Set the data type as date and use the formula given on the screen. You can use the formula depending on your requirement. Next, save the formula. Now, return to the flow and add an assignment element. This setup is used to assign values to the task fields. Assign the task owner using owner ID and set it to the lead owner's ID. Assign the Who ID field with the lead ID because tasks related to leads and contacts use Who ID. Set the subject as call. Set the status as not started and assign the due date using the formula resource we created earlier. Once all mandatory fields are assigned, add a Create Records element. Select Task as the object and use the task variable to create the record in Salesforce. Save it and activate the flow. To test this, go to the lead object and create a new lead with basic details. Once the lead is saved, Salesforce automatically creates a task linked to that lead. This confirms that the automated task flow is working correctly. This is how automated tasks are created in Salesforce using Flow. I hope this video has clearly explained what automated tasks are and how you can create one inside of Salesforce CRM. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.